Hi and welcome back. So in this video, let's see what you're going to learn in this Mailchimp course. So I've decided that I'm going to recreate the entire Mailchimp course. I'm going to use new material, new videos, and everything is going to be brand new. So that means that I'm going to add the videos slowly. One section I will be adding the videos step by step. All right. So the things that we're going to cover in this Mailchimp course are, of course, I'm going to start from scratch, and I want to start from scratch by creating a new account. So I'm going to go into Mailchimp, I'm going to register, and if you don't have a Mailchimp account, I suggest that you also create yours at the same time that I will be creating mine, so that you can follow along with me. After following along with me, if you have any questions, you'll be able to ask me, and I do suggest that you follow along with me, and in the end you'll learn Mailchimp. Mailchimp is very easy to use, very easy to learn. All right, after creating the account, we're going to look at lists, and under lists, I'm going to show you how you can import the various lists that you have. So let's say, for example, that you're moving from a different email marketing platform. In this section, I'm going to show you how you can import your contacts into Mailchimp. And once we're done with this section, the last video I'm going to do in this section is I'm going to do a brief video just to show you how you can send campaigns to those subscribers that you already have on your list. I will also cover campaigns later on, but that will just be for you if you really want to know how to do it immediately, and I will cover that when I get there. And after we look at lists, we're going to go into forms, and there are different forms in Mailchimp. We'll look at all of them. We'll look at how you can embed forms on your site, whether you're using WordPress, you're using a plain HTML website, Squarespace, Shopify. I'm going to show you how you can add the forms. If you don't want to use any kind of plugins, I'm going to show you how you can add the forms there manually. Or if you don't have a website, you can also use the forms on Mailchimp, and I'm going to show you how to get the link so that you can just share it on your social media. And if your page has over 1,000 followers, you can add the forms to your Mailchimp. So that's something that Facebook recently changed. You have to have at least 1,000 for you to do certain things on your Facebook page, and I think that's one of them. For Get Response, that is true. For Mailchimp, I'm not sure, but I think that's the case as well. So under forms, you have to note that there's the big deal of GDPR. So if you intend to target the European Union, then you will have to implement GDPR, and I'm going to show you how you can implement GDPR on your forms. And Mailchimp has also made this easy for certain forms, but for certain forms it still doesn't exist. So I'm going to show you workarounds that you can use to make it happen for you on your form. Once we're done with forms, we're going to go into templates. So under templates, we're going to see how you can create different templates. If you want to create beautiful, responsive templates without any coding, I'm going to show you how to use the Mailchimp drag and drop editor. If you want to show certain dynamic products from your store, I'm going to show you how you can do all of that, but some of this will only be available under certain campaigns. Once you look at templates, that will be a gateway to most things in Mailchimp, because once you know how to create templates, you can literally do most of these things in Mailchimp, like creating landing pages, almost similar to creating templates. And you'll also be able to create campaigns using beautiful templates. You'll also be able to create automations, because all these rely on templates. So once you're done with that bit about templates, you're going to go into campaigns, and under campaigns, nowadays we have landing pages under campaigns. You can create landing pages, you can create automations, and you can create the regular campaigns. So we're going to look at all of that when we get there. And then once we're done with this section, we're going to see anything else that's remaining in Mailchimp, and we're going to look at all those. So I will be looking at different things, and I will be making sure that by the end of this course, you are an expert in Mailchimp. And I will try my best to make sure that everything is done in short videos that are easily consumable. And then if you have any questions, of course, I will be here. You can ask me any questions. And everything will be done using the Mailchimp drag and drop editors, so you don't have to be a programmer or a coder to understand some of these things. The only coding that I'm going to do will be showing you how to use CSS to customize the appearance of your forms if you embed them on your site. I think that's the only CSS I'll do. If there's anything else, then I'll cover it there and then, and make sure you understand it. So if you do have any questions at any time during the course, feel very free to let me know. And in the last video, I showed you how you can create the questions, how you can ask questions. So if you're inside of the videos, there will be an area with Q&A, and you can just click on it and ask a question, or you can come here under Q&A. And if you come here under Q&A, you can click here to ask a question, and you can see it's very easy. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to get started, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into Mailchimp and I'm going to create an account. So if you don't have a Mailchimp account, go ahead and create yours along with me. I will see you then.